issues. Say goodbye to them forever. Mr. Lal's left ear was totally damaged. Even after visiting 3 to 4 ENT specialists, he was not able to restore his ears. Shunya Mudra cured him completely. Mr. David's 87-year-old mother had a terrible ear pain and it just vanished in 2 to 3 days. Mrs. Sneha Gupta, 55 years old from Delhi, had Meniere's disease and it just cured in 2 to 3 days. Get ready for Shunya Mudra. These days, many people complain about many ear issues due to long hours of talking on phone, using Bluetooth earphones, headphones, etc. etc. Tinnitus, a ringing sensation in our ears, is a common issue these days. These are the other benefits of Shunya Mudra. Shunya Mudra is done by folding the middle finger and keeping the tip at the base of the thumb finger by giving a little bit pressure at the folded finger and keeping the other 3 fingers straight. You can do this anytime, anywhere, but not exceeding the time limit of 45 minutes per day. Hello everybody, my name is Unati and I learned these mudras from my mother who is an expert in mudra science. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video to all your nears and dears.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I need to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.